Now, dear student, to continue the second lecture, last features was left those formed by the wind, that is the Lewis. So when the grains of sand are very fine and light, जब sands जो होते हैं बहुत फाइन क्वालिटी हो लाइट वेट हो, the wind can carry it over very long distance, or when such sand is deposited in large areas, it is known as the Lewis. Or such structures are found mostly in China, so this is known as the Lewis. So these features we have discussed about formed by the wind. So now I am going to summarize the chapters. We have completed the chapter, or in this chapter what are the important points we have discussed. First, there are two types of forces, endogenic and exogenic forces, and later on we have discussed about volcano. In volcano we have discussed about crater, magma chamber, and lava when it comes on the surface, cool downs and form the igneous rocks. Sometime it cools down inside the earth, that is known as the intrusive igneous rock, or when it comes on the surface, that is known as the extrusive igneous rocks. Or these two topics you discuss in chapter 2 also. Later on we have discussed about earthquake. So there are two important points of earthquake we have discussed. One is the focus और एपिसेंटर. फोकस जहाँ से अर्थक्वेक स्टार्ट होता है, डेट पॉइंट इज नोन एज द फोकस, एंड जहाँ सबसे क्लोजेस्ट पॉइंट होता है अर्थ सरफेस पे, जो सबसे नियरेस्ट पॉइंट होता है फोकस का, जहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा कैजुअलिटी होने के चांसेज होते हैं, डेट इज नोन एज द एपिसेंटर. आफ्टर डेट वी हैव डिस्कस थ्री एजेंट, दोज फॉर्म द डिफरेंट फीचर्स. First one we have discussed about the rivers and what are the features formed by rivers. Later on we have discussed about what are the features formed by the sea waves. Or last one, that is the wind. So rivers in this those points are important: Meander, Oxbow Lake, floodplains, levees, tributaries, distributaries, delta. So these are the main features formed by rivers. Next one is sea waves. Sea waves form the sea cave, sea arches, sea cliff, sea stacks, and last one is the sea beaches. And next agent is the wind. Different features formed by the wind. These are the mushroom rocks, sand dunes, and these sand dunes also known as the Lewis. When it travel the long distance, due to the fine quality of sand and light weight, and such structures are deposited in large area. For example, China. So these are known as the Lewis. So these are the main topic we have discussed, main point we have discussed in this chapter. And today I am sending the NCERT solutions on your WhatsApp group. You will copy in your classwork copy, and later on we will start a new chapter. But before starting a new chapter, If you have any doubt, you can send message on my personal WhatsApp number, or during evening we'll discuss, or maybe possible so I will call the particular student if such doubt may be come through the individual only. Either then I will share the answer in groups. So this is the topic we have discussed today. Thank you.